This 2010 Kia Rio LX video demonstration is brought to you by Carnival Kia of Franklin, located in Franklin, Tennessee, just off of Interstate 65, right off of Exit 65. We've got a lot of great options here in the driver's seat. We've got front and side curtain airbags, intermittent wiper blades, AM/FM stereo with CD player, and it's also got MP3 and satellite technology built right in. Gives you lots of options for music. As well, we've got fully integrated USB and auxiliary connections down there, as well as some auxiliary power outlets, so you can plug in any other audio device you'd like. Say you've got some music on an MP3 player, a cell phone, laptop, iPad, really anything with a headphone jack. It's really great. Or if you're like me and you use GPS on your cell phone, I plug it right into the auxiliary jack and listen to it through the big speakers. It's a really nice feature. This vehicle has been inspected by our certified technicians and is Q certified. Now what that gives you is a 2-year or 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty, a 1-year roadside assistance package, as well as our appearance protection package to ensure it stays running and looking great. For additional information or to check availability of this great Rio, come on down and see us. Again, we're located in Franklin, Tennessee, just off of Interstate 65, right off of Exit 65, or give us a call at 888-696-9185. And of course, you can visit us on the web anytime at www.carnivalkia.com.